you're pouring random bottles into your engine just because an ad told you to, you're not maintaining your car. You're running a chemistry experiment on the most expensive part of it, and experiments fail. The wrong additive doesn't just waste money, it creates piston ring deposits, accelerates wear, and can cause oil starvation. Then people say, the engine failed out of nowhere. But here's the truth no bottle tells you. Not every additive is a scam. In the right situation, the right chemical can save you from a $4,000 engine rebuild. The problem is, most people don't know the difference between a solution and a setup. Today, we're breaking down the top 7 engine additives that actually deliver results and exposing 5 that are pure marketing hype. And you need to watch this all the way through because hack number 2 is the only thing that makes hack number 1 safe to use. No marketing, no opinions, just mechanical facts, real engine teardowns, and the science that can either protect your engine or destroy it. Hack number 1, the anti-friction champion. Liqui-Moly Anti-Friction Engine Treatment. What it does? It introduces molybdenum disulfide, or MOS2, into your oil film. This isn't magic, it's solid-state lubrication. Under extreme pressure, where the fluid film can shear, the MOS2 platelets deposit onto the microasperities of your cam lobes, lifters, and timing chain, reducing boundary friction and mitigating thermal breakdown. Pro tip, only add this during an oil change for proper homogenization. It's particularly effective for high-mileage engines or turbocharged applications suffering from heat-induced oil thinning. Why it works? It's not a thickener, it's a sacrificial layer. This is why German manufacturers have factory-approved specs for it. But listen, this only works if your engine is clean. If you have existing sludge or varnish, you're just sealing in the problem. That's why the next hack isn't optional. Hack number 2, the systemic decontamination, seafoam motor treatment. This is a petroleum-based decarbonizing agent and detergent. It works through solvency and surface tension reduction to break down hydrocarbon deposits. Think carbon fouling on intake valves and fuel injector coking. You can introduce it via the fuel tank for injector and combustion chamber cleaning, or through a vacuum line for upper intake and valve soak cleaning. Warning, this is a potent solvent. Overuse in the crankcase can prematurely dilute your oil's additive pack. Follow the dosage. The why is chemical decontamination. By removing these deposits, you restore proper spray patterns and airflow, which is the only way to ensure an additive like our MOS2 from hack number 1 can actually reach and protect the metal surfaces it's designed for. Hack number 3, the legacy lubricant and detergent, Marvel Mystery Oil. A blend of light oil and strong detergents. Its primary function is to lubricate upper cylinder areas and prevent valve stem stiction, especially in older flat-tappet engines or vehicles that sit. It also helps prevent fuel gelation in cold climates. Why it's lasted since 1923? Versatility and a specific use case, preventing varnish in low-use or classic car engines where oil circulation is infrequent. Hack number 4, the Oil Performance Stabilizer, BGMOA, Motor Oil Additive. This is an oil fortifier. It doesn't clean as much as it stabilizes. It's designed to boost the anti-wear and deposit control of your existing oil, particularly under severe duty cycles like towing or tracking. It contains additional zinc dialkyl dithiophosphate, or ZDDP, and calcium sulfonates to neutralize acids and suspend contaminants. This is a mechanic's secret for engines that work hard. Hack number 5, the Seal Conditioner and Noise Reducer, Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. This is a viscous, non-Newtonian additive primarily made of high-grade polyisobutylene. It clings to components, reducing dry start wear, and, due to its density, can marginally quiet noisy lifters and reduce oil consumption in engines with worn seals. Key use? It's a band-aid for older, worn engines, where a slight increase in oil film strength is needed. Do not use this in a tight, modern engine requiring precise viscosity. Hack number 6, the Fuel System Restorer, Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner. This is a PEA-based cleaner, which is the industry standard for severe deposit removal. It's proven to restore fuel injector spray pattern and reduce combustion chamber deposits, which directly correlates to restored horsepower and that 3.2% fuel economy improvement. This is a periodic maintenance chemical, not a constant additive. Every 5,000 miles is the sweet spot. Hack number 7, the Diesel and Stiction Fixer. Arch Oil RA9100 Friction Modifier. This is the specialist. Its nano-boron formula is engineered to address a specific failure point, injector stiction in high-pressure common rail diesel systems, notably the 6.0 Power Stroke. It works by coating components at a molecular level, restoring free movement. The reduction in diesel knock is immediate and measurable.